To cancel your QuickBooks subscription, follow these steps. Log into your QuickBooks Online account using your credentials. Navigate to the Settings menu by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account and Settings. In the left sidebar, click on Billing and Subscription. Under the QuickBooks section, you will find your subscription details. Click on the Cancel Subscription link. QuickBooks will prompt you with options to pause your subscription instead of canceling or offer you a discounted rate. If you still wish to cancel, select the Cancel Subscription option. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the cancellation. QuickBooks may ask for a reason for canceling your subscription. After confirming the cancellation, QuickBooks will provide confirmation of your subscription cancellation. Review any final details provided by QuickBooks regarding your cancellation, such as the date your subscription will end and any outstanding charges. Once cancelled, you will no longer have access to QuickBooks features and data after the subscription period ends.